Homemade pizza using pita bread veggie style. The sauce. Let's get saucy. Ingredients used: 21 seasoning, basil, garlic powder, Oregano, sea salt crystals, black peppercorn, Italian herb grinder, roasted garlic marinara. Using the marinara sauce, I'm gonna pour some in a pot. I'm using the 21 seasoning, basil, garlic powder, the oregano, the sea salt crystals, the black peppercorn, and the Italian herb, and I'm going to mix it together. And I'm going to let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. The toppings. I'm using olive oil, and I'll put some in a pan, and then I'm going to put the broccoli crowns, using the 21 seasonings, and some garlic powder. And then I'm just going to stir a little. I'm going to use the coconut oil with raw honey. This is an optional step. I just like using this because I like the taste. Oopsies! Okay, so just mixing everything together. I'm adding my yellow squash. Now you can use any vegetables or any ingredients that you like. These are the vegetables that I'm using. I'm going to put some green peppers. Then I'm going to add the Italian herb seasoning. And I'm going to mix everything together. Using a little more of the coconut oil and the raw honey. This is optional. And you can use any ingredients, any seasonings that you want. I did get most of my items from Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's. So this is what the marinara sauce is looking like. And you just cook this to taste. Like if you want them crunchy, you just cook at you would cook it for a shorter time. If you want them to be a little more, I don't know, mushy, you would cook a little longer. I'm not the best cook. I'm going to use some more seasoning. The sea salt, the 21. I tasted it and it just tasted like it needed a little more. And the Italian seasoning. This smells delicious. Pita time. So I'm just using this pan and I'm using some pita bread. And so two sides. So what I like to do is just put it in the oven for a few minutes on one side. So I put it in the oven just for a few minutes. Now I'm going to put some of the sauce on the pita bread. There you go. And I'm going to put the toppings. You could add meat, or if you just want to just do a cheese pizza, you can do this as well. It smells amazing. I can't wait to taste it. So I'm going to add the cheese. This is also purchased at Trader Joe's. Now the only item that I didn't purchase at Trader Joe's is the Italian herb. And so now I'm using tomatoes. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for like 6 minutes. The results. Oh, look how yummy it looks. It looks so good. So I'm going to put it in a plate. There you go. And then I'm going to cut it in 4s. Look how yummy it looks. Yum. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Miss Sassy Pat. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram.
This song's about you.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my very next video. Bye!
You can still feel it in your spine.